You're welcome to the Chris Flow Energy Limited YouTube page. Welcome you to today's episode of How to. So, on today's episode, we'll be treating how to manage your DCU. And the first thing you do is, of course, is to launch your browser and enter the web page, which is this. Enter the project name, the password, the verification code, and you gain access to the database. Now, remember what you say we'll be treating today is the DCU management. Now, someone will say, what is DCU? Okay, the DCU is the data concentrator unit. And this unit is very, very, very important for all the remote functions you perform in this database and in the meters out there. So, for the purpose of today's tutorial, so remember we said is management, how to manage the DCO, which means automatically to fall into the management tab. So under the sub tabs in the management tab, you will see the DCU management, and you also see the DCU file management. Remember we've already made use of the DCU file management when we treated the addition and subtraction functions of the meters, on how to add and how to remove meters. So now what you have to do is you come here on the DCU management, you click on it. Now you see all the DCUs of the various projects in the database. Now these are the DCU numbers, and you notice that you see under the status, you see the various status of the various DCUs. Some are online, some are offline. So now, for every remote function you carry out in this database, it's important that the particular meter you want to work on, you check first of all if the DCU that is linked to that meter is online. If it's online, then you can proceed to carry out any function you want to carry out. But if it's offline, I suggest that you wait till the DCU comes back online, because if it's offline, you cannot connect, you cannot get across to the meters out there. So it is very, very important that you know how to manage the DCUs. So if it's online, then you can proceed. If it's offline, you have to wait till it comes back online. And of course, there are various factors that are influence if a DC is online or offline. If the DCU, the chip SIM card that is linked with this DCU, that is installed in the DCU, is devoid of data, of internet data, it cannot connect. So it's advisable that all the DCUs, all the SIM cards linked to the various DCUs are loaded with data at all times to enable the DCU to stay online for the various purposes that it will serve. Then if it's online, you go ahead, like I said before. Then if it's offline, you wait till it comes back online. Thank you.